Smoky, cheesy, warming and comforting. These are the only words to describe this delicious chorizo and mozzarella fusilli bake. Perfect for a cozy night in. In a pan, add the Napolina olive oil and chorizo and fry over a medium heat until slightly crispy. Then add in the onion and red pepper and cook for a few more minutes. Next, add in the Napolina chopped tomatoes, then add a good squeeze of our Napolina garlic and herb flavor booster, then mix into the sauce. Add in the dried oregano, smoked paprika and season with salt and pepper, then stir together to infuse the flavors. Next, toss in the part-cooked Napolina Fusilli Pasta and fold into the sauce gently. Add the mozzarella followed by the basil and parmigiano reggiano. Then bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. Then serve up, finishing with a little extra parmigiano reggiano and enjoy! Buon appetito!